welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel. Mel, are you ready for today's activity?
I sure am.
Excellent. Mel, I have for you...
Wait, hold on, Carr. We forgot to
ask for permission, Mel.
We need
Very
to ask
important.
permission.
Anytime that you do a science activity, science experiment, always ask for permission first.
Very good.
So in this case, I have something for Mel. I have a breakdancer.
Breakdancer.
And I have a skateboarder. I just kind of doodled these guys and I cut them out of just some regular printer paper.
Okay.
I also have for us a microfiber cloth.
Okay.
I'll give that to you, Mel.
All right.
And I have for us a balloon.
A balloon, okay.
So I'm going to hold the balloon, Mel. I'm going to ask you to rub the bottom of that balloon back and forth with that microfiber cloth. And
What was that, Carr?
let's go a little bit more. I think we're going to shoot for 10, 12-ish rubs back and forth. Okay, I think we're okay. And now I'm going to try and put that balloon real close to our skateboarder and our breakdancer.
There it goes, there it goes,
and there he goes, breakdancing.
There it goes.
So if your breakdancer,
there it goes.
There's a skateboarder.
Yeah.
So if they stop skateboarding or if they stop breakdancing,
We need to rub it again?
He's still going. Yep. You can absolutely rub it again and your skateboarder will start skateboarding and your breakdancer will start breakdancing. So why do you think this works, Mel?
Maybe with static electricity?
I think you are correct. While you were rubbing, that's some fancy skateboarding. While you were rubbing that balloon, I actually kind of heard some real light crackles. So I think definitely static electricity had something to do with it. Check him out.
Check him
But
out.
what causes static electricity?
Oh, it's stuck.
Now he's stuck. What do you think causes static electricity?
Maybe something to do with the material?
I think you're right. The
Materials?
different materials will definitely have something to do with static electricity. I know sometimes if I drag my feet on the carpet and then I touch my front, yeah, I get zapped. So that I know that's static electricity, but I'm kind of not sure what happens. I know with electricity that like you turn on your light switch, it has something to do with the electrons in the atoms that everything's made out of.
Could be.
But I'm not sure.
Not sure.
But in any case, static electricity is pretty fun to play with. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this activity. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. This activity and so much more is available at midnightscienceclub.com. We'd also love to hear your comments below, and who knows, maybe we'll do one of your suggestions on one of our next episodes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.